Hello guys, this is William from TG and I'm using Spell Wallet for the first time and I don't know how to do a video or anything about talking about this Spell Wallet. But anyway, I'm here to talk about it. This is the Spell Wallet, uh, a chance to have an airdrop for Solana around 2,500 as you can see here. Yeah. Quest. In Quest, you have to do some simple task like this one. You have to, yeah, you have to accumulate some mana, yeah, by doing those tasks, simple tasks. All you have to do is to click go, then do whatever the task tells you. And there's other challenges, yeah, about this. Ah, in here, in for only 6 days and 14 hours only, you have the chance to have uh, some of the $2,500 giveaway by completing the mission. Yeah, as of now, I'm done doing this six task already, and it says I'm eligible to have an airdrop. Unfortunately, I didn't finish the task 7 because I'm out of lives. Uh, and this is what I'm trying to do now. Trying to be creative, even though I don't know how to make uh, review video of a crypto something. But I guess I have no choice. So if I want to get this $85 to have a chance to win this $85, I need to do whatever Spell Wallet challenges or task says. Oh, and if you are going to invite friends, yeah, you can have $1,500 instantly for 10 invites only. So yeah, I hope that also uh, Spell Wallet have its own wallet, as you can see, Solana Network Wallet, but it's only a beta. I think this Spell Wallet uh, is a new program of Solana to have more subscribers of their network. Anyways, uh, yeah, I don't know what to say, but I already done this. I have wallet there, and oh, okay, complete mission. Just do what they say and try to complete every task you see if you really feel that this is worth it. So yeah, for now this is my review about my Spell Wallet. Hope you like it, and if you're not, it's okay. I won't regret it. I'm just doing this for the for the chance to win an $85. Yeah, that's all. And yeah, so that's all. Okay, bye.